investigating agency which could decide the question relating to the territorial jurisdiction in respect of the crime committed, comma. Learned Counsel submitted that the High Court had erred in upholding the views expressed by the learned Chief Metropolitan Magistrate that the investigating agency was only required to state the outcome of the investigation conducted pursuant to an order under section 156 within bracket 3, comma CRPC, and that it had no authority or right to state as to which court had jurisdiction to inquire into the alleged offence in question. Stop. Learned Counsel submitted that the High Court had erred in law in observing that it was a settled proposition of law that when a magistrate directs an investigation to be conducted in exercise of his powers under section 156 within bracket 3, comma CRPC, the main duty of the investigating agency is to submit a report as to the commission of an offence and comma thereafter comma it was for the court concerned to accept such report and to decide on the question of jurisdiction, and that the learned magistrate had rightly rejected the final report on the ground that the investigating agency had no authority under the law to express its opinion on the merits of a case. Learned Counsel re-emphasized the submissions made before the High Court that although the registered office and head office of the bank were in Ahmedabad in Gujarat, comma, each of its branches in the other states was an independently registered cooperative society and was a unit of its own under the provisions of the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act. Stop. Furthermore, comma, the loan was availed of and disbursed in Mumbai, comma. Consequently, comma, since the entire cause of action relating to the application and disbursement of the loan had arisen in Mumbai, comma, the Gujarat High Court had committed an error of law in passing the impugned order, and the same was liable to be quashed. Stop. In support of his aforesaid contention, comma, Learned Counsel referred to the decision of this court, wherein, while considering a similar question, comma, this court held that in the case of a body corporate, its branches are not distinct entities and branches are mere components through which the corporate entity expresses itself, and all transactions entered into with the branches are transactions with the corporate body itself. Stop. However, comma, a distinction was made in cases of banks which also operate through its branches, which are regarded for many purposes as separate and distinct entities from the head office and each other. Para. Reference was also made to the decision of this court in the case of Naresh Kanwar Chand Khatri versus State of Gujarat, comma, where the question involved was the High Court's jurisdiction to transfer an investigation from one police station to another. Stop. In the facts of the said case, it was held that under section 156, CRPC, the police authorities exercise statutory powers to direct transfer of an investigation from one police station to another in the event it was found that they did not have jurisdiction in the matter, and the court should not interfere in the matter at an initial stage in regard thereto. From the aforesaid provisions, it is quite clear that a police officer in charge of a police station can, comma, without the order of a magistrate, comma, investigate any cognizable offence which a court having jurisdiction over such police station can inquire into or try under chapter 3 of the code stop subsection 2 of section 156 ensures that once an investigation is commenced under subsection 1, the same is not interrupted on the ground that the police officer was not empowered under the section to investigate stop. It is in the nature of a savings clause in respect of investigations undertaken in respect of cognizable offences stop, in addition to the powers vested in a magistrate empowered under section 190, CRPC to order an investigation under subsection within bracket 1